Tyla yatangiye kwamamaza album ye A-Pop. Grammy-winning global star Tyla's highly anticipated album A-Pop will be launched. The 40-track project features previous released hits like Channel, Is It, and her Zara Larsson collaboration She Did It Again. Tyla famously revealed the track list for A-Pop in a viral black light room, spray painting the titles on the wall in fluorescent color. The 14-track project boasts in a fusion of amapiano, pop, and R&B. The confirmed track list include Is It Love, That Girl, Kiss, Is It, Fair Tale, Double Blind, Feel Something, Right Now, Mr. Nonchala, She Did It Again featuring Zara Larsson, Channel, Hot Tubes, I Don't Care, Crazy of Me. The album is currently available for pre-order and pre-save. Fans have been celebrating the launch via exclusive invite-only listening sessions in cities like London, Atlanta, and New York. Tyla turned heads up on arrival at the London venue 77 London wearing a Gucci denim miniskirt, a crop top, and Christian Louboutin jewelry sandals, and a glittery lower back tattoo that spelled out A-Pop. The 20-track project features high-profile collaboration with artists like Doja Cat, Cardi B, Kehlani, Larsson, and Zara Larsson. To build hype for the album, she hosted an exclusive launch party in London where fans caught her traveling to the venue via the London Underground. Umuhanzi Tyla akaba azashyira hanze album ye itegerejwe na benshi yitwa A-Pop tariki 24 z'ukwa karindwi. Akaba yagiye mu gitaramo mu birori yateguye i Londres, aho yaje yambaye akantu kameze nk'isutiya, ijipo, ndetse ku mugongo we hariho tattoo ya album ye yitwa A-Pop. Iyi album akaba harimo collab yakoranye n'abahanzi nka Doja Cat, Cardi B, Kehlani, Larsson ndetse na Zara Larsson. Iyi album bamwe mu batuye ndetse n'abakunzi baba mu mujyi wa Londres, Atlanta ndetse na Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika bakaba baratangiye kuyumva. Indirimbo yashyize hanze yabishyize ku mugaragaro ni indirimbo 14 zizaba ziri kuri iyi album, ariko mu by'ukuri izaba igizwe n'indirimbo 20. As you are here, don't forget to check on product tagged in this video such as Tyla clothes and Tyla albums tagged in this video. Thank you. Urutonde yashyize hanze ruzaba ruri kuri izi ndirimbo akaba ariyo Fair Tale, That Girl, Mr. Nonchala, Kiss, Is It Love, Hot Pass, Feel Something, Double Blind, Right Now, I Don't Care, She Did It Again, Channel ndetse na Crazy on Me. Zimwe mu ndirimbo za Tyla zikaba zitagize muri iyi video ndetse na album ye utibagiwe n'imyenda ye. Mwakoze kubana nanjye. Thank you for your time.